there, I'd like to introduce you to another Coach bag today. This is the East-West Harley Hobo with Lacquer Rivets. The color here is Midnight, and it comes with the silver color hardware. And you could see that this bag does come with a really interesting rivets, lacquer rivets. I'm going to bring it for the front. It does come with the Coach logo on the front, and then a leather hand tag on the side, and something really nice, unique on this side. Has some really nice design here, and this is at the back. So the back here has a zippered pocket for keys and cell phone and whatnot. And if you're looking for a shoulder wear, this one here is a really nice bag. Let's take a look on the inside, shall we? Does come with the strap for crossbody wear. Put this one here. And on the inside, I'm not sure if you could see, it has two slip pockets and one zipper pockets on the other side. Oh, there you go. Yep. And it comes with a one big compartment of a linen lining on the inside. And let's compare this to the water bottle. As you can see here, and I do have the strap here. Now, the dimension of this bag here is about 13.5 inches in length. It's about 7 3/4 inches in height and about 4 inches in width. And let me put this one back in. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.